I already taught you how to do the single crochets, so now we are going to do the half double crochet. And in order to do so, we yarn over, so we have the yarn like this in our hook. We insert the hook in the stitch like this, pull it through, and you see that you have 3 loops in your crochet hook. We yarn over again and pass the yarn through all the loops. And this is our half double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, pull it, yarn over again, and pass the yarn through all the loops. One more time. Yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over and pull it to the front part of your crochet piece, and yarn over, passing the yarn through all 3 loops. Okay? This is our half double crochet.